For the easy. No.
I was about to slap my boy.
For the Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. Special guest in the house.
Who would be?
I don't know. Who would be? It'd be my
It's
little
me.
bro.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Kobayashi back at it again with Ronnie Fitteds. Yes, sir.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you for doing all the edits on the video.
Always.
You're getting better. You're getting better, man.
I mean, I was always up here, but now I'm just kind of getting more up there. So.
Well, I just want to say I appreciate you.
Of course.
Not only do I appreciate you, I appreciate everyone who watches the channel, watches the videos.
Yes.
Truly appreciate your support for getting me to like 160 subscribers.
Damn, bro.
Less than a month.
That's crazy.
Dang. Well,
Crazy.
I already told my little brother this.
Oh, you're dropping the news already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Something like that. Have very good news.
Let's hear it.
I am now. Are you gonna add some drum rolls? Like, if he's gonna add some drum roll effect, but.
I'm gonna use that.
As of today, I'm officially a Hatclub. Not as of today, but I am now officially a Hatclub affiliate. I'm with Hatclub, and yeah, bro.
Whoa.
You knew though. You knew.
Whoa.
But I just want to say thank you.
No. That's legitly crazy, and I'm just proud of you. Like, you've been growing up on the TikTok, on the IG, and now on YouTube. So it's crazy, and just see you keep on growing. So keep on doing you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Next level shit, bro.
Absolutely. I'm very grateful for it. It's been a crazy month. From selling out my pins. The pins are sold out. To Hatclub reaching out to 161 subscribers in 1 month. Thank you. I'll definitely keep it up. This motivates me to continue pushing content, quality content for you guys to check out. That's all. I mean, thank you. But let's get to it. Today we are talking about the Hatclub Ox Pack. Yes, sir.
Ow. Yeah.
Weird. Anyways, I'm gonna let you go first, bro. What hat did you pick up? Why?
So, the only one that I was able to cop, sadly but true, is this beauty here. The LA 50th anniversary Flat Barrowman green UV here. Inspired by Dr. Dre D.
Chronic album.
Yes, sir.
I believe so.
Yeah, honestly, when I talked to Ronnie about it, like, this is from volume 1, and I was like, this one caught my eye the most, and lucky enough, I was able to get it right away. So yeah, good props to me.
Yeah, definitely good props to you. And actually, before I give my review, I want to let you know that my 2 Hatclub purchases, I actually did buy, like, out of pocket. These are 2 that I did purchase with my very own money. So, but any disclaimer, just throwing it out there. But for you, yeah, that's a beauty.
Check it out, bro.
So, like Kobayashi said, a very, very dope Los Angeles logo in white and that lime green. That's what makes it dope. Gives me definitely the Chronic vibes, but also, like, Xbox vibes. And then you get hit here with the 50th anniversary Dodgers patch. Very beautiful, because that green is definitely definitely just pops out.
Yeah,
and
I was like, that's another thing. Like, the lime green on that pat. Yeah, it like pops out. It makes it more like defying, if I could say.
Yeah, it's a very nice embellishment. I mean, what's going on for here is, like, it's a very basic hat with just the black, the LA in white, but what makes it pop is, the green. So that's why I like it, because you can probably rock this with a lot of things. Simple outfits, crazy outfits, but the fact that it has that green, makes it more than just a basic hat. It's unique.
Okay. Nice.
That's all I got.
Rating, please.
This
And the
is-
survey says.
Ronnie is gonna rate this for
Four?
easy. No.
Oh. I was about to slap my boy.
For the wearability, for the clean colors, give it a 8.
Ooh, okay. I'll take that.
Yeah.
I'll take that for sure. Here.
And
take this back.
No bias because it's your hat.
Hey,
but-
no bias. But to be honest, I've been rocking this hat ever since I got it in the mail, and
Got it. And you just curved it right away, huh?
curved it right away and started rocking and just fell in love. With that being said, though, I will also give this an 8 out of 10. I think this is the first time having the same rating for a hat.
Something like that. I
Something
mean,
like that. To me, just the lime green pops out and green UV. I don't have too many green UVs, so this one is pretty special. It's pretty sick to me. So yeah, 8 out of 10.
cool. 8 out of 10. Good hat. I mean, let me ask you this: how long you been collecting fitteds?
Honestly, I don't know. I think 2 months,
2-3 months.
2-3 months, safe to say.
All right. Yeah, which is dope. I mean,
Getting right into it. Started out. Now we here.
sorry.
30 plus hats
Well, hey, 30 plus hats is a lot of hats, bro.
for 2 months. Yeah, I think that's crazy.
What I do want to say is, as a new hat collector, you know,
Mhm.
this is something that isn't too intimidating. You know what I mean? Like, you really don't know where to
Simple,
start. You can
basic.
start by buying the basic classic green
Yeah.
UV, but a new collector can look at this and be like, that's
damn,
dope.
That's fire.
because
Yeah.
the crazy colors like the pink, red, icy blue, maybe you're not ready for that yet, but that's what I like about that. I'm
Yeah.
saying like this is definitely appealing to old collectors, OG collectors, new collectors.
Yeah, and for like new collectors, don't just go buy out something that's crazy right off the bat. Just buy what you like and go with that.
Yeah. Good points.
There you go.
Moving on. These are the two I picked up. The one I'm wearing on my head, of course, is my favorite, but this is also
Gem of Rock is
another
my
gem in my book because of the color. So here we got the Philadelphia Phillies.
Oh, you're about to say Eagles, huh?
Definitely not.
This guy, bro.
No way, bro. 1993 World Series side patch. Black, white. Got that blue in there. That vibrant royal blue. We got the flat Batterman black and white. Nicely done. Tonal Niagara flag. Gray UV. Black guts. Bada bing, bada boom. I think this is a sleeper. This released in volume 1. This is the sleeper.
This one that you wanted right off the bat too, right?
Yeah, this is the one I picked up right away.
Yeah.
Love the color. That's all I gotta say is like this color really, really pops. Throw it on right now. I mean,
Okay.
I know
Okay.
you weren't feeling it. We've been communicating. You wasn't feeling it, but I'll keep it simple. I love the color. That's why I picked it up. And this is based off The Roots.
The Roots. I haven't
Do
heard.
You Want More is the album, I believe.
Yeah, to be honest, I haven't heard much of The Roots.
Same.
So maybe this will get us into it.
Yeah. I agree. I mean, you don't necessarily have to love, what it's inspired by, but this definitely does give me, in a way, an opportunity to listen to the music.
Like, yeah,
Give it a chance.
Check it out, yeah.
Try it out. So that's why this aux pack is pretty dope in general.
Yeah.
But great fitted. I'll let you review it and give it a rating.
All right. Like what I said, I wasn't really feeling this hat, but in hand, it's pretty nice. I have to say so myself. It's just a simple classic logo. Not too crazy about this 1993 side patch, to be honest. But this is definitely a good gray.
It is good, great.
So let's go ahead and get into my rating straight off the bat.
Jeez.
Sorry. 6.8.
Ooh, 6.8.
Yeah,
I thought you'd give it like a 5. I will take that.
6.8.
Because you don't have to love it.
I became more harsh.
This might be your harshest rating.
It definitely is.
This is not 6.8. This This is a 7.5.
That's just a couple points higher than mine, bro. I don't know what you're talking
But
about.
7.5 sounds a lot better than 6.8.
I guess.
You said 6.
It's a 6.
I love the color. It's the only blue. I have like 3 or 4 blue hats, but none of them are like vibrant like this. This royal blue, I love. I mean, very, very. I don't even know how to describe it. It's very vibrant.
You've been using the word vibrant a lot lately.
This is the one. So, love it. Glad to have it in the collection. Will be in my rotation.
7.5. Okay.
7.5.
Okay. Well, let's get into this one right here.
Bro, this hat is amazing.
Ooh-wee.
Oh my gosh. This is the Atlanta Braves.
Mm-hmm. Tell him.
Atlanta Braves.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. With this beautiful 2000 All-Star side patch. Yo!
Oh, Jesus.
This is crazy.
Jesus.
This is one of my favorite hats. When I received it today, I was like,
Wait, one of your favorites already?
yes. One of my favorites. No cap. No cap.
I seen your collection, bro.
Bro, this one is dope. What I love about it is black and white. You can wear it with anything all day, every day. This is gonna be my new go-to. That patch is my favorite side patch, I believe.
How about the band patch?
Better than the band patch.
You think?
Absolutely. This All-Star Game patch versus that All-Star, no question. This one's the winner. Can I just give my rating right now? It's game
no,
over.
No, relax.
It's game
Chill.
over.
Let me get my taste on it. Let me get my
Why do I don't know
cents.
why I love this so much.
I
Go ahead, bro.
Take a little breather, boy. Jeez.
Oh, man. So-
Hey, to be honest, when I first saw this hat as well, I'm like, I don't know. It seems kind of basic. It's kind of simple, but in hand, I must say, this is a beautiful hat. I must say. From the just the simple classic A logo, and looking at the side patch, it actually goes crazy. So
doesn't go too crazy though. That's what I like.
It's crazy, but subtle crazy, and just a great gray, bro.
Now I will be honest, bro. I know it's Outkast inspired. I just don't know what album it was. So.
But all right, let me just give you my rating now. Online, whoa, hold on. Online, I was like, man, this kind of like a 7.
Wow, you want to give your
Right?
rating? Okay.
But in hand, when he wore it, it was,
What's
so 8.5.
Oh my God, they're gonna say
8.5.
8.5.
That's a good hat, and it's a hat that you can wear every day with any fit. Yeah, that's why I kind of bumped it up a little bit.
Thank you, bro. Showing the people one more time. Drum roll, please. The Atlanta Braves gets the first 10
No,
on my channel. Bro,
No.
I love this
No.
because it's just simple. It's black and white. That color combo you can wear with anything, of course. Does that mean the Chicago Cubs
It's a little much.
graduation now?
Yeah, imagine we got
11 out of
that.
10. Yeah,
You can't just be breaking
does.
scales.
I think it does.
You can't be just doing that.
Bro, this is a 10 out of 10 for me, honestly, because I can pick it up when I wake up. Doesn't matter what I'm wearing. This will look good with it.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. This is one of my favorite hats. So, thank you, Hatclub. Actually, I like that hat too. What did I give it? 8?
Yeah. Can bump it up now? What?
8.5.
Ooh, okay, we'll take that.
Bro.
But yeah, that was the Ox packs that we copped.
Yes, we
We
did.
wish we copped more, especially that Cubs one. That
Yes,
was
sir.
insane.
Cubs, both the Cubs.
The Indians, right? Cleveland Indians.
Cleveland Indians, Kid Cudi inspired. Oh man. I got one of my top 5s. Definitely a 10 out of 10 hat in my books. I know you picked up some heat. He picked up some bi-fitted heat, and he will be showing those on the channel very soon. Bro, I can't wait to show.
Are y'all ready, bro?
Can't wait for them to see. Anyways, Hatclub, great job with this pack.
Yeah, keep doing y'all thing, and remember to just buy what you like.
Buy what you like, wear what you like. Comment down below what you think is the winner out of these 3 hats.
Give yourself a rating. Choose what you got from the Ox pack, and yeah, let us know.
Let us know. Kobe, thanks again, bro.
Yep. IG's
Appreciate
here, everything here. Make sure you guys follow that.
Thank you, everyone.
Peace.
Stay tuned for the next video. We're out.